gotta seal that in there somehow. I wonder if I could do this. There we go. Wedge it in there. So there, that's the insulation so far. I'm gonna do all the way up to the sink, and then I gotta install the water heater and go from there. I gotta do some measurements and cutting. I 2 cool scores today. Excuse me. One, I got a RV propane tank that'll mount underneath the bus. It holds 14 gallons. Super cool part is it's 3/4 of the way full. So that was a killer deal on that one. I got to seal this window too. Then I found a shell of a shower bathtub out of a camper that, with a little bit of modification, I'll be able to get it in here, and instead of having to try to build a shower. So another really cool deal. But I gotta finish doing the insulation and then the paneling, which I don't know if I'm going to panel this part because that shower stall is going to go here, and I want to glue it or caulk it, whatever, to these. So I might actually just insulate it and leave this uncovered, but I do need to cover the back there. So fun adventures to be had. Okay, there's the bathtub shower. Definitely needs to be cleaned. This is out of a camper somewhere. It's from 1979. I got to build a wood frame underneath of it. I actually love the fact that there's little holes there, because when I get one of those diesel heaters, I'm going to put one back there and vent it out towards the front. Probably that hole right there. That way I can put an actual vent up. But it's good, that's going to hold me. So yeah, I'll be showering like this, but maybe I'll get a little stool or something to put in there. But yeah, so I'm still gonna do where I'm gonna have the handles right here. I'm gonna drill little holes and put them in, have the line run up and over, and the shower head's gonna be, well, on either side of this somewhere. I haven't quite looked that hard yet. See, I think the line's going to come up right around in here. So probably right about here I'll have the shower head, and it'll be good enough to bathe in. So, whew, doggy. I'm going to see, I think I can bring it this way a little bit more, but I got to get everything figured out, like where the shower head and everything's going to be. So bear with me a few. There we go. There. I'm going to end up probably getting some kind of waterproof paint or something to paint this so it matches it, so it don't look like it does. But that's just the start. That's to kind of hold everything in place. So yeah, I got a lot more framing to do. Gotta get a couple of 2x4s here. I gotta figure out exactly how I'm gonna run this water line too. So again, please bear with me. Gosh dang it. Sorry. Earthquake. It's cord there. Okay, there's that. I gotta see if this other board fits, because I did raise it up off the ground, so that's iffy. Really should remeasure this, because I kind of want it up to about there. So that's all right. I can use this board for other things. I'm going to bring this with. About there, huh? That looks about level. 63 inches. There we go. Gosh dang it. That's just temporary to hold it for right now. Put a couple down here in the bottom. There we go. Okay, and that'll mostly hold that. There we go. It ain't going nowhere. Yeah, nice and sturdy now. I'll put a couple more screws in that back piece, I think. I gotta do the same to the other side. Alright, it's gonna be the cross beam for my bedroom. So, well, I'm gonna have to do a lot of that. Well, this is actually perfect because I can mount the two fans to pull the excess heat out from the wood stove I'm going to put back here. But yeah, so I gotta screw that down and together and get ready to rock and roll. Right there. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. There we go. Just dang it. There we go. Okay. There we are. I think that'll work. Okay, first test of the shower. Here's the shower head. There we go. Oh yeah. That'll definitely work. Do need to bring the back up some though. I must have it leaning a little bit. But yeah. I don't have any hot water yet. So I can't turn it on, but plenty of water pressure. Nice. That is awesome. It's about the 15th time I've hit my head on that board. Ouch. Not perfect, but it's draining better. Now let's get a little squeegee or something. But, yeah, lots of water pressure. So, perfect. I'll get a little chair or something in there because I'm a little big for this. And, yeah, be rocking and rolling. All right, so, yeah, got the shower mostly installed today. I gotta do the hot water line yet. Sweat my eyes, that's nice. So, yeah, I think this is gonna work out pretty good. Yeah, I might move it over a little bit, but if I had a chair to sit in, I could wash myself. Catherine will be fine in there. But I wanted to cut this out and sink that in there a little bit. I still might. I'm gonna, once I get it all together, the rest of the way, the hot water hooked up and everything, then I'll give it a test and go from there. I do want to put a light in here somewhere, whether it be this right here or right here. I haven't quite decided yet. This will be all paneled in and everything. I mean, it's not lifestyles of the rich and famous or anything, but it works. So yeah, and then I got the wall started for the bedroom, and I had to figure out exactly where I'm going to do the bunk beds and everything. I think tomorrow, or which will be probably the next video. I haven't decided if I'm going to put them both together yet or not. But I'm going to install the water heater, hook all the hot water up, and get all that tested. And then probably start framing the bathroom. Get that all figured out. But do need to get a shower curtain yet. Put in here. I'm not going to put a door or anything. That would just be kind of silly. So it's just going to be a shower curtain, and bunk beds will be right there and everything. So we'll get her figured out. Maybe I'll put curtains on each of the beds or something. Haven't decided, but yeah, I got to get that done. I got to mount the water tank still, figure out what I'm doing with that heater, exactly where I'm going to mount that at. And yeah, she's really coming along. So so again, it's Ryan with Ryan Outdoors, and I hope you guys are enjoying the skoolie build or bus conversion, whatever you want to call it. really coming along, but we'll see you next time. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I come out with a new video. See you next time.